Good morning. I have just arrived at Glowy train station. And today I'm going to be reviewing the first class train from Wrocław to Kraków here in Poland. And I'm going to be letting you know whether the first class carriage is better than the second class. I've heard mixed reviews, but if you wanted to find out, well, this is the video for you. Alright, let's get in the train station. I've got about 10 minutes till my train leaves. I booked it online, so now I'll let you know like the price of it and everything at the end. Wow, it's a grand station here. So it looks like I've got about 20 minutes actually, no rush. I'm here at the station now. The train takes 3 hours. I think this one's 3 hours 15. There's like different options, like leave at different times. I think the quickest one you can get is like 2 hours 40. Okay, so this is the platform. I'm about 15 minutes early, so because it's such a long train, what I might do is I might go get some snacks quick. There's a couple of shops down there, and then make my way back up. There's no point to standing here. 3 hour journey, mate. I've got no snacks at all. Okay, I've come out the station. I'll just show you the front of the station quick. Now I'll probably head into McDonald's and get a coffee. They do pretty good coffee there before I go. But look how beautiful and grand the front of the station is. This nice yellow colour, and it looks like it's always been kept up to date and painted. See, it don't look like it's worn at all. Look at that. Let's go grab myself a coffee, and then I'll get like a chocolate bar or something, and then that'll do me for the journey. Jesus Christ, I might have made a huge mistake here. It's currently 11:59. My train leaves in 11 minutes. So at least a couple minute walk back, and I've done an extra shot in my bloody coffee. Okay, just got my coffee, mate. Time to get to the platform before the train drives off. So this train ticket costs 20 British pounds, like 100 zloty or 23 euro. The normal train ticket for the second class was like 12 pound maybe. So there's an £8 difference between the two tickets. And like I said, I'll just see how it is, give you a review, and just check out Polish trains in general, because I've only ever been on one, and that was to Gdańsk. Alright, just walking down the train now. I believe this is my one here, first class. Jesus, they're like roofs. Have a look at this. Seat 55. To be honest, I don't feel like first class. Feels like they're all the same. Look, this is my booth here. Maybe I don't get anyone here. Who knows, I might get lucky. That's how narrow it is there, and I'm seat 55, but it's like in my compartment. Obviously I don't get the whole compartment to myself, I have to share. Storage up there, the chairs are here, and I'll give you a review of how comfy they are. Looks like you're sharing with 6 people. The heat is nice and warm. Got a little table here, got like charging ports down there, and a mirror so you can look at yourself. Legroom, well, I mean, if that person's the same size as me, looks like this would be the legroom here. I believe someone is sitting there, to be honest. When I looked at it, because I booked online so I could see the booking, that would be awkward, isn't it? Someone just looking at me from the other side. Just wonder what the difference is between this and second class. So I don't feel like you get more room at all. Like, looks like you can adjust your seat. Oh, you can like sit back, relax and chill. Just put my seat back up because the English in me is too polite to put it down in reclining position, especially if there's someone else there, you know. Yeah, so it leaves at 12:10. Apparently it gets there at 3:27. All in all, a bloody nice railroad station. It's clean as hell, man. It's so clean, this place. if you saw the last video I did, it's so clean here. Everywhere you walk, there's this cleaners cleaning, and no one chucks rubbish on the floor. They really take pride of their country, and that's what I love about the Polish. Okay, it's 10 past. Let's see if we leave on time. Oh look, we're going exactly on time. Nice. It's absolutely punctual as well. That's what you like to see, punctual trains. There's a guy casually walking on the train track over there. Bit dangerous, mate. So I believe this train carriage is the first class. Basically on the app it said you just get a little bit more leg room, you get a little bit more space, and I don't know what else they said. They just said you can relax a little bit more. I don't think you get anything else complimentary, but you get definitely a lot of space. I mean, I got this whole booth to myself. It's almost like a sleeper carriage to myself. It's exciting. I love trains, man, and especially in countries like this where they're old but they feel, well, actually this ain't even that old. It's smooth as heck. We'll see once we go in. This train to Kraków takes 3 hours 15 minutes. It's 256 kilometers, so we're going quite a distance on the Polish railways. Tell you what, you can nap on this 100%. Right, let me do a full room tour, I reckon, before anyone else gets on here, because I think there is a couple of stops. It's not just direct, so I'll give you a full room tour so you can see everything, and I'll walk up the carriage and just see. I don't believe I can get into second class because I assume I need to show my ticket to the ticket inspector. Okay, so starting off, we have like sliding doors. You can slide across for a little bit of privacy, but saying that, they don't fully close, so not sure what that's all about. You have like different buttons here, so different lighting in the room, different speaker, temperature control there. You've got ample storage space up there and down below there as well, so you can definitely fit your suitcases and your bags there. Let's start off with the chairs. So the chairs have headrests either side. Like I said, they do recline with that button down there, and you get like a little table here as well. Other than that, they're nice and big, especially if you're like a bigger person. You definitely can fit in one of them chairs. Whoa, it's a little bit noisy, this train. Down by the seat, there's power poles which are working, which are 230 volt, and that's good enough to, they're 230 volt, that's good enough to charge your laptop. There's a bin under there. Like I said, if you're sitting by the window, there's a table there as well. It looks like we're pulling into another stop potentially already, or we're just passing by trains. Yeah, other than that, it's pretty basic here. There's a toilet at the end of the carriage, and I don't think there is any food carts, but I'll see. You have like a blind to block out the sun. I mean, if there is 6 people in here, it's going to feel a little bit cozy and maybe a little bit awkward. It's not like a first class scenery. But you know what's great about trains? Especially in first class, and I'm having the time of my life right now on my own. I haven't got to be embarrassed to talk on the camera in front of everyone or disturb everyone, especially because I bought first class tickets. I don't want to disturb anyone, so I'll get a majority of the video done now. You get to see the countryside roll past your window as you're slowly traveling to your destination, which sometimes on the roads you don't get to see, and definitely on a plane you don't get to see. So sometimes train travel is the best. Every hour, which is absolutely fantastic for such a long journey like this. I was just looking up some facts. Apparently, if you book in advance, like way in advance, you can get the tickets for so much better price. This one is the Intercity rail. There's another one which is a step up. I believe they're the newer, faster trains, but I'm not sure they do this route. They definitely do. Warsaw route though, and I believe there's a step down. So this one, I don't believe you get any food or anything like that. But yeah, this is the Intercity trains.
Dzień dobry, poproszę bilet do kontroli.
Is there any food cart on this or no?
Food car, yeah, in the next carriage.
The next carriage, yeah? Amazing. Perfect, thank you, man.
No problem.
So there is a food carriage. That's a ticket inspector. I don't know if you saw him. I don't want to put the camera directly on him because I like to respect people's privacy. That ticket inspector, he shut the door. So I believe when it's occupied, you have to shut the door to let them know that it's occupied and they've checked the carriage. Let update. Oh, we're there now. We started off here and now we're there. We've still got all this to go. Past Katowice to Kraków. Alright, just put my coat on. Let's go see if I can find any food. I'm just gonna leave my bag up there. It should be okay.
Więc jest idealnie. Ja w Warszawie akurat jestem.
Can I have a coffee
Yeah.
and a Snickers bar?
Coffee, black, flat white latte, cappuccino.
Can I have flat white, please?
And Snickers, yeah?
Yes, please.
Here.
Okay, so I got myself a flat white coffee. If you saw, there was like tables there and everyone was eating their food. But you could get like simple stuff like paninis, pasta, bread and some Polish stuff. I just wanted a coffee and I got myself a Snickers bar as well. Yeah, so you can get a few snacks. It was a bit expensive. A coffee and a chocolate bar I think come to like £4. So for Polish prices that's a bit expensive. For English prices it's not expensive at all. Okay, I better book my Airbnb for Kraków. There's a couple of things I want to do, but they're not going to be on this video. This video is purely the train, just so you can get the full experience and what to expect and see whether it's worth upgrading for you, or you can compare it and be like, nah, do you know what, I'm just going to sit in second class, which I'm sure is exactly the same as this. But I'm enjoying the journey so far. There's going to be videos on the salt mine, and I'm going to do like trying different Polish foods as well, which would be good. I've had a couple before because we come to Poland for the Christmas market. Whoa, what town's this? Look at that. Looks like a big town, this one. Okay, this town is Opole. O-P-O-L-E. Opole. Looks like a nice town, this one. Let me show you. Okay, so we've been on the train for about 2 hours now. I had 2 people in here. One sat there and the other one sat there. So I didn't want to film them because they paid for first class as well, right? They paid the extra money to have a bit of peace and quiet. God, look at that sun, beautiful sun coming in. Whoa, scared me. That train coming scared me. It was like, pew! Yeah, it's been nice and relaxing. Just got past Katowice, I believe, Katowice, and on the way to Kraków. Now, probably is times 3:21, so probably gonna be there in about half an hour or so. It's a slow train, definitely a slow train. But like I said, to see the countryside of Poland, train travel's the best, and it could take another 3 hours. I'll just go get more snacks and just enjoy the journey. But look, as we're getting further over to the east, it's started to be more snow on the floor. Whereas in Wrocław, there wasn't no snow on the floor, but now there is. In the summer, I'm definitely going to come back and with Tash and Charlie and probably do van life in the summer and just tour around Poland and see what it has to offer. I reckon there's some cracking campsites and it's not too busy on the roads. It looks good. It looks fantastic. There's a locomotive full of coal there. Wow. To be honest, not much has happened at all. I'm probably a little bit dehydrated. I ain't drunk much. Just been sitting there chilling, to be honest, enjoying it. Really enjoyed this travel. Definitely recommend it. Whether I would get first class or second class, I'm not sure. That's up for you to decide, but I definitely would get first class again. Not too long and we'll be at our final destination. Just booked the Airbnb while on the train, so the train does give you free Wi-Fi. It cuts in and out every now and then, but if you haven't got mobile data, definitely the free Wi-Fi comes in handy, so you can check your phone, your messages, book Airbnbs and stuff like that. Okay, so the toilets in first class are out of order, and that's both bits of the carriage as well, they're out of order, so I just walked down there to check the other ones, and they're just absolutely rammed with people waiting to get off this toilet before they get off, so I'll just hold it for 20 minutes. Looks like they're having problems with the toilet system. Look how much snow there is now, wow. Right, let's go back to our room and chill for a little bit. First bad thing about this train is first class has no toilets. I don't know what's gone wrong, but if you go down that way to that end, it said no toilets. Go down that end, no toilets until you get past the food cart. And like I said, there's a big queue because everyone's using the toilet, so. I believe the next stop is going to be my stop. Kraków Glowy, central Kraków. We're slowly rolling in, going past the little villages and towns surrounding Kraków. I see everyone standing up, that means it's going to be quite a big stop. So I'll grab my bag. Fantastic journey. If you're ever having doubts about travelling Poland by train, it feels safe, it's good price. You get to see amazing countryside, the cabins, especially in the winter, they're just perfect temperature. I believe they're keeping them around 20 degrees. So yeah, absolutely fantastic. The chairs are comfy. It's been 4 hours. Let me put my hat on because it's a lot colder over here. Might have to put on my gloves as well. The time is 4:15, so we should be in the station in about 5 minutes, meaning it took 4 hours 10 minutes when it was advertised as 3 hours 10 minutes, so it's running an hour behind schedule. So if you are looking to get on a plane from Kraków straight away, I wouldn't rely on this. At least give yourself a couple of hours because anything can go wrong. Also, when you're at the station, just keep an eye on the board. They can switch up platforms on you, like without much notice at all. But no, we're coming in now, look. Yeah, I'll give you my final thoughts and feelings about the train after, but hopefully you enjoyed the video so far. You've got to see what it looks and feels like, especially on this train, on the Intercity route anyway. Beautiful snow outside, fantastic. Yeah, that lonely guy walking on his own. He's got a long walk to go, out in the cold. Oh, and we got off the train. There it is, the Intercity. God, definitely it's a lot colder here. We'll just see the train leave and then we'll continue our journey, and that'll be the end of this video. I'm making a couple more in Poland, so make sure you hit that subscribe button, make sure you like as well. God, it's really cold, mate. I might have to put on my hood in a minute. My legs are gonna be freezing. Anyway, that was my experience with the first class train from Wrocław to Kraków in first class. It cost me 20 quid, 100 Polish zloty, and I'll give that a thumbs up, 5 out of 5. Okay, this has been Tash and Brad. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.